Okay, class, so the second number that I'm doing, 10 times, remember that one I always tell you about? I'm making it dotted right there because it's there, but we really don't write it, but we just have to know that it's there, okay? So I'm gonna multiply that 10 from this monomial times the 1 from this monomial here to get 10. Then I'm gonna take, then I'm gonna take the x to the 20, multiply that by x to the third to get x to the 23. And finally, I'm going to take y from here and multiply it with y to the 90th, which is going to give me y to the 91. Then I just simply put everything together. So, you know what? I didn't put everything together here. So for number 7, my answer was 40, x to the 12, y to the 18, and that's my final answer. And here, my answer, I got 10, I got x to the 23, and I got y to the 91. I just simply put all that stuff together. My final answer is 10, x 23, y to the 91. And that's how you do number 7 and 8. Now, you guys were assigned numbers 1 through 6, so don't worry about 7 and 8. I was using 7 and 8 to show you how to do everything else. So 7 through 10 are actually harder. I'm going to keep going now that I did that, and I'm going to go ahead and explain numbers 8 and 9. So here's number 8. Here's number 9. Number 8 says 10x to the 20. Oh, I'm sorry. What's wrong with me? Number 9 and 10. Number 9, 9x to the second, y to the 9, times 8x to the 10, y 9. Okay, class, so 9 times 8 is 72. X squared times x to the 10 is x to the 12, because we're just adding 2 plus 10. And then y to the 9 times y to the 9 is just y to the 18, because we just added 9 plus 9. Now, my final answer is 72, x to the 12, y to the 18. And for number 10, we got, I'll do it in a different color. We got negative 11 x squared times 11 x to the 6, y to the 10. And what we're going to do is negative 11 multiplied by 11 gives me a negative 121. Ooh, yeah, I had to question myself. Okay, x squared times x to the 6 gives me x to the 8. And then there's no y here, so we just carry on with my y to the 10. So that's going to be in my final answer. You can't forget that. Okay, so my final answer is going to be negative 121 x to the 8, and then I'm just going to bring over my y to the 10. And then that is done. So I hope you guys are clear on how to do it. Numbers 7 through 10 were actually easier than numbers 1 through 6. There was less to do. So good luck, guys.